3, 2, 1. Oh boy, it's hard. There it is. Ooh. Easy, easy. Whoa, got it.
You got two.
Show me. Cauliflower looks like the crown has grown well and it is ready to pick. Different varieties of brinjal are here. The pipe ones, this is more roundish, I think Indian brinjal. I grew from seed. There's also a white color brinjal. Here it is. Plenty of okra on that. All of these are about 5 feet tall. Here's the okra. You need to keep plucking them every 2 to 3 days, otherwise these grow giant big. This is the line of bell peppers. I have planted different colors. There's red, orange, green. They all start green, and as they ripen the color changes. Like these ones are changing color. Here's the chili plant. It's fully loaded. It's all tiki mirchi. Here's my patio. I have zucchini growing. You can see one of them here. I have guava. Here's one which both us and squirrels are eyeing. That's gala apple. And if you see behind up there, that's also gala. And this one is red delicious. So a lot of fruit getting ready. September is going to be a fruitful month, literally fruitful. Doing plum plucking and it's going good. It was fun picking these. Look, we got 4 plates. We got gala apple, pears, nectarines, grapes, plums. They're all ripe and ready. Hey, it's last day, last show. September 30th, I have to surrender the garden. I've done the complete cleanup, took out all the weed barriers, the stakes, everything. This is my final picking. Not bad for a final picking. And that's it. End of story. Thank you, garden.